Here's our home for the next week. Isn't it awesome? I know I say awesome a lot, but it is. Love Harborview timeshares. It is so amazing here. You'll see when you come. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the right and we're going to check out the guest bedrooms. And we're going right down the hallway. And here's guest room number 1. Look at those beds. Nice, big, queen-size beds. Okay, if you want to relax in your room, little TV. And if you want to step out onto a private lanai, there you go. Just for you. Okay? Now, let's go check out guest room number 2. A nice king-size room. Alright. It has a private balcony also. Nice. And if you want to relax a little, come in. There's your TV. And this one is adjacent to the facilities. Nice granite countertops. Nice large shower and tub. Alright, let's check out the rest of the place. This is our home. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. Nice large dining table. I love all the upgrades that they have in this unit. Nice little side buffet, so if you want to put food there. Decorations here, the interior decorating is awesome. Here's our place to relax. And again, here's a nice large flat screen TV. When you've had a little too much sun, you can come in and enjoy. And here's the master bedroom. Look at that. Isn't it awesome? Again, you can walk right out onto the balcony. It's a lanai, screened in, so you don't have to worry about insects. There's your TV. Okay, and then, look at this. I love this. A nice spa hot tub. Isn't it wonderful? There's your granite countertops and further facilities. Now let's check out. There's a nice big walk-in shower. Lovely. And there's our closet. And this is one of the best parts is you can walk out here onto the line. You can have breakfast, lunch, and dinner out here if you choose. Look at this view. Isn't it wonderful? You can see Harborside Marina. You can see the restaurant. There's all the yachts, boats, sailboats. If you want to learn how to go sailing, they got sailing school here. They have sea school for kids. And look. Right over here, besides the fabulous palm trees, right over there through those trees, that's the pathway to the beach. South Beach is awesome. Okay, look at that. Isn't that great? Okay, now we're going to go down and check out the pool and the hot tub. Hang on. Okay, just like I said, look at that pool. I love it here. It's so peaceful. This is all private just for the Harborview owners. There's our own private dock, so we can go out and go fishing if you want to pull a boat up. Great place to go hang. Isn't that great? Part of the Intercoastal. Hot tub. So if you got some achy bones, tired body, there you go. Fabulous place to hang out. Got the grills over there. Lounge chairs to go around. And when you have a large family come, there's so many tables and chairs to accommodate everyone. There's your own private little bar if you want to set up and have a family reunion. Here you go. This is the place. It's all private. And guess what? We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath for sale now. There's not very many of those out there. So here's an opportunity for you today.